I think the biggest change has been the acceleration, if you like, in the acceptance and adoption of stuff that we'd already been working on. So we've moved rather more away from as Alison, more away from the month-end reporting where we sit down and we go through the numbers, to far more focus on daily updates based on BI coming out and updating on a daily basis through dashboards, what have you. Seen far greater adoption of that, a greater emphasis on the very short term. So we're looking at not just what our monthly utilization might be, but we're now looking at the value of work done on a daily basis. We're looking at cash collections on a daily basis. And it's a far more hands-on approach now than perhaps we have seen in the past. It was the kind of direction of travel we were aiming for anyway. But we've seen a far greater acceleration in the adoption and the acceptance of that approach to business management than perhaps we had previously. I don't think really we've seen, there are certain things that had to change. And it was around workflow, the way we did things. An obvious one, sounds a bit crazy, but an obvious one was who's going to sign the checks now. And so, that was a day one problem. Of course, we couldn't issue any checks, so we stopped issuing checks and we found alternative solutions. Similarly, around workflows generally, whereas people were used to sort of signing bits of paper and shoving them in orange envelopes and moving around the building, that all had to stop. And so, again, going back to the previous comment about the acceleration of adoption of new technology and the willingness to adopt and to change has been quite remarkable and very, very welcome.